Okay, so I'm gonna try and demonstrate how to use Screencastify. Um, the extension's installed on everybody's Chrome profile, so make sure you're signed into Chrome. When you open up the Chrome browser, you should see your name up here, and if you don't, you can click there and sign in, right? So I can click this extension, and it'll bring me through the setup process the first time I have to do this. I need to give permissions to do these. I need to allow it to use the microphone and camera. Okay. And what I want to do now is record a screencast. So I'll go here and I can choose to record my microphone, or I can record my microphone with an embedded webcam. So it will show my camera, at the bottom right or at the top right, top left, bottom left. I can record the desktop or the browser. So I'm going to click record.
3,
and
2,
get
1.
A countdown. Here we go. My recording's beginning. I can use the pen tool to highlight things that I'm looking at here, right? I can use the mouse tool. I can click on things. It'll highlight where I'm clicking. You see that red circle that's popping up? I can highlight or focus on the mouse, so I can make the user kind of follow along with my mouse here. You can erase things. You can show the clock if you need to. And when you're done recording, you can click up here and press stop.
Countdown.
And this will
Here we go. My recording's beginning.
This video is already being uploaded to Google Drive. I don't have to do any other steps to get there. And if I want to share it with people, I can copy the link just like that and paste it into an email, or I can view it in my Google Drive and share it from there.